What is up, YouTube? AVI back in another video. We're going to do a really quick video for you guys, something that I was going to do in my everyday life, and figure why not show you guys to see if it works for you guys. But one thing I hate doing is cleaning the inside of my windshield. You know, it gets that little film after a couple of months of just, you know, using it and not cleaning it. And I hate bending my arm backwards and you know, washing it like this, because then it's streaky and you miss spots, and then you realize the next day that you missed a spot. Then you have to revisit. So I actually found this super cheap tool on Amazon that hopefully is going to make our jobs a little bit easier. We're going to put it to the test and see if we recommend it. So we're going to do one half of the windshield with your typical paper towel and glass cleaner, and then we're going to do the other one with glass cleaner and the new tool. So if you guys like that video, subscribe, smash the like button, let's get to it. All right, so we're going to start the windshield using the old-fashioned paper towel and glass cleaner method. So what we're going to do is spray the glass cleaner on here, and then do this whole thing that I hate doing, which is taking your arm and cleaning it like this. It's actually not as bad. I'm used to, like, the Mustang that I used to have. That was a pain because it slopes so bad. But it's difficult because your arm hits the A-pillar, and I don't have confidence that I'm going to get all the spots. Now I'm going to do this strategy. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but that was kind of a pain. And as you can already see, there's certainly spots that I missed. But you can definitely see the line. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but where we cleaned it versus where we didn't. So it definitely works. It's just a little bit of a hassle to get your arm all the way up and all the way down. So now we are going to try with the new tool. Same exact way, but now we can just simply do this where you don't have to get your hand all the way in there. And by the way, this tool was $5 on Amazon. We'll put the link below so you guys can try it out if you like it. But let's go now clean that side. All right, onto the passenger side now, using the new and improved method. You can almost sit for this one. It's a little bit easier. We're going to spray the glass cleaner on the window, and then take it, and this is a microfiber towel that you can just throw in the wash, which is pretty cool. And we're going to see how it works. Ooh, I actually like that. Much easier. And you can see where we didn't get versus where we got. It does look a little streaky, I think, upon first use. Another good thing about this, though, that I'm realizing is that side has a little bit of lint on the window, but with this microfiber, you don't really have too much lint as long as it's a good microfiber, which this seems to be. And you can see that section right there. I don't know, I think I like it. I think I would recommend this tool. It's much easier. I have more confidence that I got all the spots. How does it look from back there? Looks good?
It looks a little, yeah, like streaky. I guess like you would have to change the
Oh, does it look streaky?
well, from inside maybe. But
Oh yeah, you're right.
maybe you just need to buff it off with another towel.
Okay. And maybe I put too much. I don't know. But maybe it'll dry in a couple of seconds. We'll revisit when it's fully dry, and we'll see the difference. So while we're waiting for this to dry, we're going to talk about today's video sponsor, Shine Armor. If you guys need car detailing products, Shine Armor is definitely the go-to. They also have this Fortify Quick Coat, which we just reviewed last video, and we actually cleaned this entire panel of the car with just spraying. No bubbles, no wash, no buckets, no suds, any of that. This was just simple spray and wipe, and it was much easier. So if you guys need any car detailing products, definitely click the link below for Shine Armor, and also get 20% off your purchase with code AIV20, not AVI20, AIV20 in the promo code. We'll get back to the video. All right, so we've waited for it to dry. It's been about maybe 2 minutes or so. And honestly, it actually looks way better. I didn't have high hopes for the drying to work, but it looks significantly better than it did. It looks pretty similar to the hand method of using the old school paper towel, but it was easier to do, to get all the way down to the bottom without having to bend your arm. So I think the product is a buy, especially for only $5. Like we said, click the link below to be able to purchase this from Amazon. 2-day shipping. Get here before you know it. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to check out Shine Armor, code AIV20. And just like that, AVI out.